You may make $3.85, $11.49, $83, $27, or even $114 by simply clicking on adverts, and you can do it again and again. Step 1 is to click on the advertisements. For example, here is one banner ad that I can just click on, and then step 2 is to wait for 30 seconds right here on this website while doing nothing. And then step 3 is boom! You have made money. That is exactly how individuals from all over the globe may earn money by just clicking on adverts. Don't worry, this is completely legal and completely free. You don't have to invest in any money, and it is available in any country on the planet. All you need is a smartphone or a computer, and you can follow everything step by step right here in this video. I will show you a lot of instances and proof, and if you stick with me until the end, I will reveal a little secret on how all of these people here can earn such large sums of money. This is something I've never heard anybody else talk about before, so stay attentive and don't miss out.
Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video.
Before we go to the website, you must first create and have your own PayPal account. So go to paypal.com and create an account for free, clicking this button. Now the website that I'm going to show you today, where you can get paid by just clicking on advertisements, is addictclicks.net. Now if you don't watch this video, you won't get any money, and even if you do, your earnings will be trapped in your account and you won't be able to pay out. As a result, it is critical that you watch the entire video till the finish to understand all the pitfalls to avoid and how to effectively pay out your gains. As you can see, you may start making additional money for all of your online activities. You can take different surveys, enter different contests, complete different offers, recommend others, or just play games. But more significantly, what I want to show you in this video is how to focus on visiting website, which means that you can just go on other websites and click on different adverts to earn real money. As you can see, they are quite open about all of their revenues on the website. A total payout today is this amount, and a total payout yesterday was this amount. And they even show you all of the past withdrawals from all of the people who are cashing out money, including their username, nationality, and payment method, and you can cash out all of your profits in a variety of payment methods. So right now, what I want you to do is leave a comment below and tell me where your favorite payment option is in your nation, and I will show you precisely how to register for a free account in just a moment. Make sure you keep watching and don't miss out on this opportunity. But first, let me show you all of the proof of payment. As you can see, they include all of the dates, including today and yesterday, and several people have already cashed out their money. Now you can see that they are generally from various nations under their usernames, and then you can see the country flags alongside their usernames. There are just so many individuals from all over the world that can earn real money on this website by clicking on adverts. You can see the total paid amounts right here by simply clicking on websites, and anyone without any experience can do it. And I will show you a lot of examples of how you can multiply and earn double or even 10 times more money than other people, and you can earn hundreds if not thousands of dollars right here on this website. So right now, if you want to sign up for a free account, all you have to do is click on this button to register for free. And that will take you to this page where you can write your complete name, email address, and set up a password. So simply fill in your birth year and birthplace here, and then click on this I am not a robot and agree to the terms of service, and then click on this register button. When you enter into your account, the first thing you will see is the leaderboard, which basically shows you who is the best earner. For example, this one is number 1, as you can see here. That is the username, that is the nation, and that is the total earnings. This person was a member of addictclicks.net not long ago, and right there you can see the second ranked top earner with over this amount. These are all people from different countries around the world who can earn hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, and all they have to do is take out their mobile phones and click on the ads. Well, if you appreciate this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, now let's go back to the video. As you can see here, after you enter into your account, you can see various daily fixed advertisements to click on to earn money. For example, all of these are true advertising that you can click on to go to another website, and all they do is fairly basic and you can do the same thing. Right now, when you go into your account, you can discover various advertising to click on, and the most popular ads are really banner ads, as you can see here, and they are all banner ads. When I scroll to the right area, you can see all of the banner advertisements where you can click on them and be paid again and again. Let us click on one of these banner ads and it takes me to a random website. You can do this on your phone or on your computer. Right now, all I want you to do is stay on this page for 30 seconds. You don't have to click any buttons, sign up for anything, or buy anything. Just stay here for 30 seconds. And one very essential thing is that you don't do any of these mistakes. Right? That is caution, because a lot of people don't move anything when they click on the banner advertisements when they get to the website. They just remain there and don't look around. They don't get any money from these advertisements in the end, so don't make this mistake and instead scroll around on this website. You may browse around on this website by scrolling down below. Just go around and browse around on the website. Because if you don't move, they will assume you're a robot and won't credit any money to your account. So after you get to the website, browse around, and once you've moved a little bit, you can just wait there for around 5 to 10 seconds before starting moving again. By doing that, you can show them that you are a real person, not a robot, and they will credit money to your account after 30 seconds. Once you've finished with one banner, you can move on to another because there are so many different banner ads right here on this website that you can click on and start getting paid. Now, the second approach to be paid is to click on the daily fixed advertisements, which are all the commercials. You may click on them and remain there for around 10 seconds to get paid, and as you can see, many people are utilizing this identical strategy to make a lot of money. So let me show you one of the payment proofs right here on AddictClicks.net. You can see all of the payment proofs here, and if I click on any of them, it will lead me to this page where people share all of the results, all of the evidence, and all of the testimony. You can see here how much money they made and how many individuals are reporting their earnings on this website, and guess what they do? They just click on daily fixed advertisements. This is a bonus tip that no one else is talking about. Make sure you finish at least 5 daily fixed advertisements every day, as this will help you quadruple your profits and earn 10 times more money than other people. Once again, this is an extra tip that I would like to offer to you, my subscribers. Essentially, once you've completed 5 daily fixed commercials, you will be able to unlock the standard advertising, which will pay you 10 times more money as seen above. You can see here that to get paid now, you must stay on this page for 30 seconds. For example, if I click on these ads right here, it will take me to another website. Depending on which ads you click, you may have to wait 10 seconds or 30 seconds, and usually, the longer you wait, the more money you will make. Once again, stay on this page for 30 seconds, browse around, and you will be paid. As promised, I will show you the ultimate bonus tip, which is something that no one else knows about and will effectively enable you to earn hundreds, if not thousands of money on this website. Take a look at the top earners on the leaderboard. You can view their overall earnings. For example, this one has this much right here, another income, and you can see their referral earnings out of the money they receive. This amount comes from referral earnings. For example, the second user's total earnings are shown here, but a portion of that money comes from referral earnings, and that is the final key to how the top earners rank on the leaderboard. They make the most money by recommending users to this website, and you may do the same by sending people to AddictClicks.net. So on the one hand, you may earn money by simply clicking on adverts, and on the other hand, you can develop a second stream of income by recommending others to our website and earning passive revenue. As you can see, this is a win-win scenario since they learn how to make money while you get referral rewards. This is one of the finest methods to make money on AdClicks besides simply clicking on adverts.
Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.